Hey guys, welcome back to another video. To me, Mr. Monkey. Today we're playing Deadly Indian Truck Driving. Now, I don't remember if I played this game before or not. I gotta remember this game. And I can't remember if I played this game before. I think I have. So, how did that guy already fall? It's already not that hard. Maybe he's just having fun. That walk saved me. Leave the donkey, man. Oh, that's good. I'm just. I don't have an idea. Come on. Prove it. How do I honk? Is there a honk button anywhere? No, no, don't. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. Hey, where's the honk button for mobile? I don't see a honk. Oh, I don't know how to do mobile. I guess I'm not. Let's do this. That's a jump. Let's go. I don't have my job. Are we out? Oh, I need some drifting. So if she, oh, she's gone. Wait, I see. Wait, let's see. Yeah. Suppose I'm yeah. I think you can. Go down. No, man. Sure is what sure. Does everything just cost Robux in this game? Damn no. Let me in. No, one spot. I'm gonna move this guy. Oh, no. Hey, man, move out the way. Damn. I got this. I'm gonna go up fast. Are we out? No? How do I always go? How do I even go sideways that one time? Oh, hey, Mr. Go. This way. And make sure. Hit the brakes. No. That's a lot. Drive fast. Yes, I made it. Excuse me. Oh, man, my car's stuck. Go over here then. Okay, and yeah, that's the little monkey. Well, then just take back there. Drop you right off. Duh. Wait, yeah. Okay, yeah, I need to fix that, man. No. Freaking Tumu car. Why is it driving a what? Did you even see that? Yes, I saw that. I'm gonna go with Box Express. It's a big boy car. Let me tell him a big boy. I don't want the side truck. Why can't I hit the animals? Oh, I cannot get any of the tuk-tuks. I think Timoko is the best. Are we? Oh, come on, with the freak, man. Yeah. Yippee, Timoko. It's gonna break us as I hit him up. How did he flip? Is it with this game now? Oh, this first person. How do people keep going? Watch out! That person's cars to use my guns. Yes, hi, Mr. Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Ooh, that's the close to the edge. What the freak? I'm saying I don't do go tag videos and watch, I don't really know what to do. Go tag. Mostly, I just go tag videos. Hard to make. And it's not much you can do in go tag for a video. So I'm not very smart. I don't know how I can play go tag. That's so very nice. Yeah, the reason I'm not friends with the Clips anymore is because he's a gas man. He's also homophobic. He's also just really not nice. He gets really mad if I don't want to play with him every single day. Especially if I can. Alright, because turns out I haven't picked this game. I just thought I have. Because I think I've heard of a game that's like this. Camu. That's a good go, man. Making that lay down, walking fast, faces down. Yeah. Why is my head fly so fast? Let me in. Hello, hubby. Camu truck. Camu truck. Camu truck. Emu truck. Truck. I should. Can you buy an actual dog on Temu? I'm not bad on it. This seems safe. No, hush, so down. Where's it sunset? So what it is. Or I died 7 times. Get your papa da. I'm trying to speak fast. Puppy, papa, mama. I so badly want to put them off. It's up a neighborhood. we started from the very beginning. Just no, 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 man, please help me. Somebody help. Is anybody gonna help? No, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay. Yes. No. No! Wait. I'm not supposed to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to do a speed run. We are back. Let's go. Free time. Let's go straight ahead. As fast as possible. That I am so good at welfare. The freak. Okay. Whoa. No, 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 no. Okay. Hey guys, let's not fall. Please don't fall. Dude, what a step. Okay, no. Mike Wazowski. Oh, that's not Mike Wazowski. That's Mike Wazowski. Hey, Bob, you're going the wrong way. No. No, 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 no. Oh, my I want you to grab into the fire of the edge. I'm gonna try this to wait for you. Go fast. Stop it. Stop. I can't see a thing. Now I'm stuck. Ah. Oh, really? You telling me that Lily? Well, finally, it's back. Well, I'm trying to go as fast as possible, see what happens if I fall off the edge. Go down, then we're gonna go this way. Now we're gonna come back. This way. I'm actually gonna go back. Speed was gone. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm scared. Just need to go like that. Actually, I'm not like that. I know this is safe. But I could have survived that in the life and I didn't want to. Finally, I'm trying and my truck's wheels hit the ground, but I would have maybe survived. Here's how to do this. Gotta go, get really How come I never just invisible? What does yellow white mean? And it means passion. Red means stop. Green means go fast. Orange means go fast. I have died. Can't. That doesn't tell me which one's mine. See if I can see mine. Oh, I just. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, that's so close to the edge, man. I would died, like, actually. This time. I can get past. Don't go too fast. I don't know, I'm stuck. Just go straight. Yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes, maybe so. Yes! I did it! I did it! Yahoo! Yahoo! Hoo, 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 hoo. Yeah. Okay. Power through, power through, power through. What the freak? Well, this might be close to the end of the video. So I give up soon. The big fat truck. Mike Wazowski. Why does he keep going the wrong way? Does he just not open? Slow down so you don't go from the edge. I did that one time. No. Wait. Come on. Wait, go back. So we're not working. No. Gives me a try, then I'm gonna end the video. Might not get another part of this, but who knows? Might play Forsaken on that video, because I don't know what that game is. It's a pretty fun game. I know it's hard, but I don't know where to go now. Now we're going fast. Now. Is this how it actually goes in real life? That'd be kind of funny. No, I was crushing my car. What about using? Well, that's not right. I mean, this is. What's happening in the server? Come on. Back up. Forwards. Yes. Back up. No, go forwards. Yes. Yours. Down. Ho, ho, ho. Yours. Sorry, that was my butt. Yes. Shoot me? Yes. Puppy. There we go. Let's play still. Oh crap, oh crap. No, too good. How far away is number 3? I'm scared to number 3 goes. Not, that's my video. We stuck. Get back on the freaking road. There's no way. Am I stuck again? See if I can. No, wait, I'm stuck. I can't move. What the heck? No, this is just it for the video. So, stay punky, stay monkey, and best of all, be yourself.